Spider plants are most common house plants in the world. They are appealing to look at, easy to grow, easy to propagate, and best of all, easy to care for. Still, even the most green thumbed home gardeners can run into issue now and then with the hardy house plants. Spider plant is turning brown and we have solutions. Why is your spider plant turning brown? Spider plants are so popular because they're able to thrive in most of suboptimal growing conditions. They can grow and sprout spreadling and flowers even in the indirect sunlight. But their propagation can often be hindered by the presence of dead looking black or brown leaves. There are several reasons why one of these plants might start turning brown, and while those reasons really have to do with sunlight, something that most plants require as necessity. They can be caused by water quality or over or underwatering and even some rare plant disease. How you know if you are overwatering or underwatering? Over and underwatering your plant can both cause leaf tips to brown, and overwatering can lead to serious issues. Excess water can cause root rot, which stops the flow of water and nutrients in the plant. Underwatering, however, will cause the plant to dry out over time, which will make the leaves appear yellow, then brown, and finally black. Oftentimes, the potting soil or the pot draining holes may be cause root rot. Try changing out the potting mix or switching the plant to new pot with a better drainage. If your plant is overwatered and root rot has set in, however, remove the afflicted roots and hope for the best. Removing the rooted roots is the only chance your spider plant had surviving. If the problem isn't corrected, the plant could face death. The fluoride in your water may be an issue. Browning can be caused not by extra water but also by compounds found in your tap water. Excess fluoride in your water can be extremely toxic to houseplants because it builds up inside the plant and inhibits natural photosynthesis process. Fluoride also known to damage plant tissue which also result in browning. If your water has too much fluoride, flush the spider plant soil out with distilled water a few times and let it drain. Once your plant is clean and ready for more water, try using rainwater or distilled water for future watering. Note the soil with high calcium levels can also be used to prevent potential fluoride toxicity in houseplants. Humidity check. Spider plants might seem strong, but they have needs just like rest of us. Low humidity will not only impede growth, but it might also start browning the leaves as surely as the sun. Spider plants are more susceptible to succumbing to lack of humidity in winter time or in the summer when there is more heat in the air. You can keep the humidity level high with water in a timely manner. Grouping your house plants with your other house plants and misting them at regular interval when the air is driest. I hope this video helps a lot to get out of this issue of browning the leaves of spider plant. If you have any other queries regarding this or any other plant, you can add it in the comment box. Thank you friends, thanks for watching. Thank you.